There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What about a resounding applause for our candidate number 6.
Sabi sa'yo pero sa akin ka lang babagsak. Sabi ka nila na pinaghahanap kahit ako naman yung lalantas.
Let me hear you say.
Ang hindi pabulakpak, mamamatay. This costume is inspired from the Samba Festival held in Kanawan Leyte. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ella Marie Vista, a 16 years old stunner na naniniwala sa isang kasabihan. If you have it, show it. Nang mamatay sila sa inggit.
Nakilala ko kanina, may ikaw ka na po.
Pleasant afternoon, congenial people of Barangay 106, North
Tacloban City, Philippines. This is your candidate number 7 saying, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What is essential is invisible by our children that comes from within. This is a woman who cultivated the heart of Filipinos, no other than Miss Georgia Valeria Dokyanova Palopra, the human Barbie of Ukrainian country. Bago ko pulisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, gusto ko pong iwan ang isang kataga. Anhin mo pa ang damo kung patay na ang kabayo. Advance happy fiesta, reaching everyone. God bless. Mabuhay ang mga baklang Pilipina. Thank you.
Okay, we announce the best in costume. So nakasihan na rin ang mga judges natin kaya mga pinatahili yung house scores. Okay, so ang mga best in costume is candidate number 1.
Pambayad ka natin.
Sumisili na ba?
May pambayad ka natin.
Kasi yan na-execute. Actually, man ako
We
siya
have
may parayan ka na dahil. Executing. Diba? Victoria.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our fasting question. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is the winner of
Dami ng mga fans. At damuhan nila mga kasangkayan ng pagrangka. Okay, ang ating
Ito, number 5. Number
darling of the crowd is
7.
candidate number 5.
Oh! Di ba? Dagol!
Brilliant Smith.
to receive the award. Alexander will be announcing the Miss Glam Studio Awards. We have Lady Jamai to give the cash prize. Ladies and gentlemen, our best of Miss Glam Studio is
Ang ating naging Miss Mami Studio. Alam mo, hindi ako nag-cash ito. Hindi ang nag-cash. Yung dalawang cash hindi. Ang pumili is yung nag-sponsor ng award na to. Si Miss Jelay. May-ari ng Glam Studio sa Ron. VIC. So, okay. Magkaya ka namin yan. Ang ating pili-pili ang pinakamahusay. Pili ang mahupay ang costume. Ang akong pipilihan, Glam Studio Award ay may character. Wow!
Dagol!
So, ang akong pipilihan niya natin, ano ang pipilihan niya mag-pipili ko, di ba? So, kami mo sinusunod ang order to announce na Miss Glam Studio Award. Okay, ang ating naging Miss Glam Studio Award sponsored by Miss Jelay. No other than number 7. Okay, so si Miss Glam Cherry Studio magkakapunta. May pabuting pala. Meron siyang sash. Ayan, kabongga. Meron siyang birth certificate, meron siyang cash.
okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our Miss Glam Studio is the one with the candidate number 7. The sash will be ang kanyang may gift certificate siya. Ladies and gentlemen, sa amazing once again we have Miss Karen Asmussen.
Again, based na kanilang mga pag-choice sa inyo, so, ito ang resulta ng second runner-up. So, okay? So, ang ating ng second runner-up, no other than candidate number 3.
Ay, pasok, Kate. Kate, pasok. Kwarta na 5.
And of course, to give the ground, we have Sir Andrew.
Second
To give the sash, we have Miss Jalai. And to give the cash prize also, we have Sir Andrew. Kita ko lang kumalit na.
First runner-up, okay? So, ang kanyang naging score, 91.66. So, no other than first runner-up candidate number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again to give this the sash, we have Miss Bella. And of course, to give the crown and cash prize, we have Mr. Andrew. Ang mga, yung winners natin dito na kayo sa gilid. Ayan. Because we will give way to the Queen. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be announcing the listing Walk from Forbidden Question 2024. Ano is last month to give the cash prize and crown we have Mr. Andrew. And also give the sash we have Glam Studio, Mr. John. Right?
Okay. Ito ang pinakailangan natin naman. So, ang ating naging Miss Day Walkathon 2024.
Maray naman.
Okay, ang ating naging Miss May Wamatong 2024 Pasig ang judging ng ating mga judge. Wala yung nagsisiri ng mga natinihan ni Bulitiken. Kasi bago na-resolve na then follow up pa ng kasawa kung tama na po yung judging ang akong pagkapili. Okay, so, okay, wala yung nagsisiri ng bias. Waray cooking show. So, base din yung mga scores. Okay? So, ang ating naging Miss Gay Walkathon 2024. The other one. Campaign number 6.
Sige, the cash again, we have